These are the Nike Air Force Ones. These are the '07 LV8 model here. These are really great shoes. I'm a repeat buyer of the Air Force One brand. I really like them. They hold up really nice. They're fashionable. They do have a lot of different clothing styles and just overall really nice shoes. What I liked about these here is they have the dark navy blue here, the blue laces, and then this has like a gray suede right here. So it's a little bit different. And it also has the gum colored base here. So it's a little bit different than the standard Air Force Ones. That's why I went with this color right here, but I really like this combo. Gray goes with a lot of different things. The blue has a nice offset right here. This is the box that it comes in. You can see the Nike Air Force One box. But overall, really great shoes. Highly recommend them. This is what the bottom looks like right here. You get a lot of use out of these shoes. They're very easy to clean up. Normally, like the leather ones are very easy to clean, but I did have a pair with the suede material right here, and it cleans up just as good. So if you're looking for some fashionable shoes that have a really long life of them, you could clean them really easy and are really great looking, absolutely want to go with the Air Force Ones here.